Part 6. The first steps turning vision into action. My name is Abebe Negash. I'm an engineer. So please welcome back. We have built the foundation for a governance system that works. One based on expertise, efficiency, and innovation, not outdated politics, but ideas alone won't change Africa. The question now is, where do we begin? How do we take this blueprint and make it a reality? The answer is simple. We start with action. Step 1. Identifying and mobilizing the right people. Not everyone can build this new system. We don't need more politicians, activists, or career bureaucrats. We need engineers who can design sustainable cities and infrastructure, doctors who can rebuild Africa's broken healthcare systems, economists who can structure financial policies from foreign control, historians and philosophers who can ensure cultural preservation and unity, IT and AI experts who can build the backbone of a digital governance model. Africa's most brilliant minds are scattered across the world. It is time to connect them, mobilize them, and build a coalition of action-oriented technocrats. The first step: create networks, forums, associations, and working groups that bring these minds together, not for debates, but for real structured planning. Step 2. Establishing independent technocratic councils. Governance should not be dictated by politicians. It should be managed like an engineering project. We must create technocratic councils that operate outside of the traditional government framework. These councils will oversee critical sectors: energy, agriculture, healthcare, education, etc., and design policies based on expertise, not ideology. Track national resources and implement transparent budgeting systems powered by AI. Work directly with African diaspora to integrate knowledge, investment, and direct solutions from abroad. These councils are the first building blocks of the modular technocratic governance system. Step 3. The pilot project approach. Proving the model works. Governments won't step aside voluntarily, so we must create working examples that prove this system delivers better results. Imagine a self-governing technology hub where infrastructure, finance, and healthcare are managed by engineers, not politicians. A fully digitized city where corruption is impossible because all spending is publicly tracked. A university-led agricultural zone that feeds millions while maintaining 100% sustainability. These pilots will be small-scale governments within governments, demonstrating that Africa doesn't need political rulers. It needs technical problem solvers. Step 4. Digital governance. Creating AI-driven public system. We must leapfrog the West's outdated bureaucracy and build a governance system that is transparent, efficient, and immune to corruption. Here is how. AI-powered auditing. Every government transaction is automatically recorded, flagged, and made public. Blockchain-basic public spending. Every dollar spent is trackable by citizens in real time. Decentralized decision making. Policies are created through data, analysis, and expert panels, not political bargaining. Africa can become the first continent where governments operate like well-run corporations, efficient, accountable, and result-driven. Step 5. Ending dependency, breaking free from foreign control. Foreign aid has crippled Africa more than it has helped. It is time to cut the cord and reclaim full sovereignty. Here is how we do it. Shift from borrowing to investment, attracting African and diaspora capital instead of relying on Western loans. Nationalize strategic industries, ensuring that key resources, minerals, agriculture, infrastructure are controlled by African, not foreign corporations. End the culture of begging. Africa is not a charity case. It is a powerhouse waiting to rise. We must replace foreign aid with self-reliance, and that starts by taking control of our own resources. Final change. Who will step up? This vision is not for everyone. It requires bold thinkers, doers, and builders. So here are the real questions. Will Africa's technocrats rise to the challenge, or will we continue letting politicians fail us? Will the diaspora stop complaining from abroad and start directly investing in Africa's transformation? Will Africa's youth reject the political circus and embrace science, engineering, and data-driven governance? Will we seize this opportunity, or will we wait for another 50 years of failure? The future is here. It is time to build it. In part 7, we will focus on the immediate steps you can take today to be part of this movement. Stay with me, because Africa's new era begins now.